Active no contact is the easiest way to get your ex-girlfriend or wife back and nobody talks about it. Hello everyone, my name is Fabien and I've been a dating coach for men since 2017. And I know that online, a lot of other coaches will tell you to do no contact, that the no contact technique is effective and so on. Based on the hundreds and hundreds of coaching sessions I've personally done, here are two reasons why traditional no contact doesn't work. After that, I will explain to you why active no contact works much, much better. So reason number one, if it's been over 3 weeks since you last spoke, adding a no contact period on top of this will be counterproductive. In fact, if it's already been more than 3 weeks since you last talked to her, it's urgent. You need to reestablish contact ASAP. But don't just send her like a basic message like, hey, how are you? How have you been? Etc. Be more original. One technique I teach my coaching clients is the postcard message method. Send her a photo or short video, like for example, of a delicious dish you are having or a beautiful view. Pair it with a simple caption like a nice way to end the day, a nice way to start the weekend. Don't add anything else. No, let's meet up to talk or wanna grab coffee. Wait for her reply, then focus on reopening the conversation and rebuilding chemistry before suggesting a meetup. Reason number two here why traditional no contact doesn't work. If you have reconnected, if you are exchanging messages, or even if you have seen each other again, don't disappear for 2 weeks thinking that you are going to create longing. You will just show her that you are not a stable guy and that you don't know what you want. So this will make her run away. To create longing, I'm going to give you one example here. It's something I teach in detail with the men that me or my team of coach. You should certainly stay in contact with her, but not every day. You can leave her on red for 48 hours and in the meantime, post stories on social media. When it comes to messages, think more in terms of quality rather than quantity or frequency. Don't fall into the trap of writing to her every day because you are afraid of losing her. And above all, don't do radio silence when you had reconnected with your ex thinking that this will create longing in her. So what's an active no contact? You are not going to send to your ex any messages for at least 2 weeks. However, the difference is that you are going to post on social media, even on WhatsApp now, you can post stories, so your ex can see what are you up to. So it's important to know exactly how you will spark a little jealousy and show her or let her know that you have changed certain aspects of your life. Because if during this no contact period you do something out of the ordinary, like an amazing hike, a trip to an amusement park, trying a Japanese cooking class, etc., and your mutual friends hear about it, you know what will happen? Those friends will go tell her about it. Women love gossiping. So before doing this active no contact, think about what concrete actions you will take to make her react, make her jealous, or if you have mutual friends and the mutual friends that you have are following you on social media, what could you post so that way you know for sure that your mutual friends are going to tell her about it, about the things that you've just posted. She can feel jealousy and FOMO, fear of missing out, not just if she sees or learns that other women are interested in you, but also if she sees or hears from others that you are doing cool things and that there is newness in your life. This will give her FOMO and she will start regretting her decision. So post at least 3 times a week a story or a photo or video on social media and do it during 2 weeks. Then after, you can send her a message unless she sent you a message before, and because that likely to happen, but do this for at least 2 weeks. So post at least 3 times a week a story, like a photo or video on social media, and do it during 2 weeks. Then after, you can send her a message. Unless she sent you a message before that, because that can likely to happen. Subscribe if you want more content like this, and if you want a custom tailored action plan to get your ex-girlfriend or ex-wife back, write the words action plan in the comment section and I will get back to you.